Modern graphic shapes can quickly transform a simple product image into a polished promotional composition. Open Canva and create a new product poster using the dimensions that suit your campaign. Choose a clean background, then open the Elements panel and search for contemporary geometric and abstract shapes. Select a few shapes with different sizes and use them to create a structured background around the product. Upload your product image and position it prominently so it remains the visual center of the design. Add a strong headline, a short product description, pricing, and a clear call to action using modern fonts. Repeat your brand colors across the shapes and typography to create a